Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make GIF and NFT. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google OpenSea and open that website. Once you open that, you simply need to click on create. And once you click on create, you simply need to select a GIF. So I'm going to select a random from my smartphone from my computer, and here you need to name, so I'm going to name it monkey. And if you want, you can add external link. Here you need to describe, and if you want collection, you can collect and you can name your collection. And here you need to click supply, and where you want to mint it, so I'm going to mint it on the Ethereum. And here you need to click on create. Before it gets created, please check the box, so click on that and select the crossbox. Okay, and then you need to wait for a few seconds. And okay, and before you sell it, you simply need to pay a small fee, and once you've done that, your NFT will be created. You can see that. So this is a process by which you can make a GIF and NFT. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.